Hi, welcome to Philemathics series where mathematics is simplified. In this video, we are going to look at how to differentiate this quotient that comprises of trigonometric function. So the first thing you want to think of is quotient rule. Quotient rule says if you are given y as u over v, then y prime, which is the y dx, will be v du minus u the v over v square. This is what we're going to use here, where our u is our sine x and our du is cos x. Also, our v is 1 plus cos x. Our dv differentiates 1 plus cos s. We have minus sine x. So this is what we'll substitute here. And so we'll have our y prime, which is same as 1 plus cos x multiplying du, which is cos x, minus u dv. Our u is sine x multiplying dv, which is minus sine x. And our denominator is simply 1 plus cos x all square. So if we open the bracket in numerator, we'll have cos x plus cos square x. Minus times minus is plus, and sine s times sine s is sine square x, over our denominator, which is 1 plus cos x all square. But recall from trigonometric identities that cos square x plus sine square x equals 1. So we'll substitute 1 for this, and so we'll have 1 plus cos x over our denominator 1 plus cos x all square. So the 1 plus cos x will divide one of the 1 plus cos x at the denominator. This will leave us with 1 over 1 plus cos x. This is our final answer. This video has added value to you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Bye.